The Five on Your Side investigators have spent years digging into your issues with the Cleveland Water Department. Well, now, big legal bills are piling up in a federal lawsuit over how the department bills customers.
That lawsuit was filed a year ago by the NAACP Legal Defense Fund. And our Five on Your Side chief investigator, Ron Regan, is live tonight. And Ron, you found the water department hired some big guns to fight back.
Yeah, well, the water department has hired a prominent Cleveland law firm and sticking ratepayers with huge legal fees. At the same time, water customers continue to get outrageous bills.
Well, it was up and down every month. It was getting ridiculous.
Michael Shanks is talking about this, a water bill that made no sense.
And then all of a sudden, it would spike.
Charging him 3 times his normal usage. And his complaints fell on deaf ears.
They were rude, obnoxious. They didn't want to do anything for you, and they wanted to get you off the phone as fast as they could.
At the same time, the water department's spending thousands to fight additional complaints contained in this lawsuit filed last December, hiring Tucker Ellis, among the most prestigious law firms in the country, with a drawer full of major corporations that can afford blue-chip attorneys. Here's what you paid for so far. Just 3 documents, a motion for additional time to respond, plus 2 more asking the case be dismissed. A federal judge denied it. Price tag, more than $35,000. Meanwhile, ratepayers' complaints continue to pile up.
Couldn't get past the gatekeepers.
The lawsuit also alleges billing practices unfairly impact people of color.
We believe that no one should lose a home for unpaid water debt and that people should be treated fairly and without discrimination. And also, we're challenging Cleveland's water shutoff and overbilling policies and practices here.
Cody Montag is a lead attorney with the NAACP Legal Defense Fund.
People need to be charged fairly for the water they consume and ensure that bills are accurate. And they need to be given certain due process protections before their water is shut off.
So here's what's ahead. The water department will now be required to turn over thousands of records related to those billing practices. The case itself will continue through all of next year, and those legal bills will keep piling up. I'm Chief Investigator Ron Regan.